Join me as we explore the tips, tricks, and techniques to ensure a successful summer harvest. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite summer vegetable to grow. Choosing the right vegetables. The first step in summer vegetable planting is selecting the right vegetables for your garden. Some vegetables thrive in the warm temperatures and longer daylight hours of summer. Consider planting tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, zucchini, beans, and eggplants. These summer-loving vegetables will provide a bountiful harvest throughout the season. Preparing the soil. Preparing the soil is crucial for the success of your summer vegetable garden. Start by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. Loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller to improve drainage and aeration. Incorporate organic matter such as compost or rotted manure to enrich the soil with nutrients. This will provide a fertile environment for your plants to thrive. Proper planting techniques. When it comes to planting your summer vegetables, there are a few techniques you should keep in mind. Firstly, follow the spacing guidelines provided on the seed packets or plant labels. Overcrowding can lead to poor airflow and increased risk of diseases. Secondly, plant your vegetables at the appropriate depth. Ensure that the soil covers the roots, but don't bury the stems too deeply. Lastly, water the plants immediately after planting to help them establish their roots. Watering and maintenance. Watering is crucial for the growth and development of your summer vegetables. During the hot summer months, it's important to provide consistent moisture to prevent stress and wilting. Water deeply and thoroughly, ensuring that the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Mulching around your plants can help retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Regularly inspect your garden for pests and diseases, and take appropriate measures to control them. FAQ, frequently asked questions. How often should I water my summer vegetables? Watering requirements vary depending on your specific location, climate, and soil type. As a general guideline, aim to provide about 1 inch of water per week. However, always monitor the moisture levels and adjust accordingly. Should I use fertilizers for my summer vegetables? Answer: yes. Fertilizing your summer vegetables is essential for their growth and productivity. Use a balanced organic fertilizer or follow the recommendations on the product packaging. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can lead to excessive foliage growth with fewer fruits. How do I deal with pests in my summer vegetable garden? Answer: integrated pest management techniques are effective in controlling pests. Use natural remedies like neem oil or insecticidal soaps, and encourage beneficial insects such as ladybugs and lacewings. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests and take action promptly. Can I grow summer vegetables in containers or small spaces? Absolutely. Many summer vegetables can be grown in containers or small spaces, such as balconies or patios. Choose compact varieties and use large containers with proper drainage. Ensure they receive adequate sunlight and water as needed. You can check out our video on container planting for help. And there you have it, the secrets of summer vegetable planting. By following these tips, you can create a thriving garden filled with an abundance of fresh, flavorful vegetables. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and leave a comment below sharing your success stories or any additional questions you may have.